We'll be going through the process of the two most common ways to subscribe to our Gator tracking service. If you've purchased a Gator tracker with an included tracking period, for example 30 days of tracking, the value of this will be discounted from the annual subscription fee when you subscribe to our tracking service. The included tracking period begins as soon as the tracker has been powered on, so if you subscribe as soon as the tracker is powered on, then you will get a full discount equivalent to the period advertised with your tracker. However, if you subscribe later, the discount amount will be reduced based on how many days the tracker has been used. The following scenarios assume that you have installed and correctly set up the GPS tracker in your vehicle and it established a connection to the internet. The two ways of setting up your subscription are: you have just bought a tracker and you want to subscribe to the service immediately after receiving the product and installation, or you have bought the tracker and have already set up an account and have used the service for a few days or weeks and would like to now subscribe. For this scenario, you have just bought a tracker and would like to immediately subscribe to the annual service. First, log into your tracking account. If this is the first time, you'll need to create an account. Once logged in, to add your tracker to your account, you can press the Add Object button. Doing so will bring up the message box where you can add the name of your object or car you are using and the IMEI number located on the tracker. The IMEI number is necessary to link your account with your tracker. Then press the Subscribe Now button once the above is filled out. This will bring you to a page where you can fill out your payment information. There may be a message that pops up asking if you're using a tracker that supports a Bring Your Own SIM card or a GPS tracker that came with a SIM card. If you're seeing this message with a tracker that has its own M2M SIM card such as a GTK Pro 2, then press cancel and make sure that your tracker is installed properly and has established a connection to the internet, and try again in half an hour. If you're setting up a GPS tracker with your own SIM, then press OK and continue with filling out your payment details. Once filled out, and you can confirm payment, you'll be brought to this page if successful. However, if you encounter an error, please try this process again. If you've already added an object to your account and would like to now subscribe to our service, the easiest way to do so is click the Add Subscription button in the top left. Pressing this button will bring you to a new page where you can choose the objects that you want to add a subscription to. This will bring you to the subscription page where you can fill in the details to pay for a subscription. A subscription discount will be automatically added if you have any of the included use period days remaining. Again, when successful, you'll get this page and a confirmation email sent to your email address. That concludes the short video guide going through the different ways to subscribe to our Gator tracking service. If you'd like to find out more information on our Gator tracking range, please visit gatortracking.com.au.